We're doing biking, and it's a hike too, man. Checking out the waterfall. Check this out, man. That's what I love, man. Hike, bike. Only in North Carolina, DuPont, man. Check this shit out. You go up that way? Oh. Going around the other way. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Alright. Shit. Check that out, man. Woo! Beautiful. Check it out. It's cool waterfall. Mary over there. Guys over there. Oh man, it's beautiful. Love it, man. To the San Diego mountain bike crew. Just for y'all, man. Come visit anytime. Sister Pauline, Pro, Bo, Sal, Aki, and the Lao M hikers. All you guys, man. This is the forest, DuPont. Right here, man. A lot of waterfall. You come check it out. Alright, man. And all the One Love hikers too. Alright, y'all. One love. This for you, Captain B. Alright.